an educator myself, I've always known about Marquette's reputation, both in terms of its academic rigor, as well as its social justice components and its Jesuit teachings. We also wanted our son, as a black male, to go to a school where he's celebrated and not tolerated, and Marquette does that. Seeing what homework assignments he would bring home from his theology class around issues of social justice that technically didn't have a right or wrong answer. It clearly helped him become a critical thinker and align his critical thinking with his Catholic beliefs.
So one of the things I thought that was very beneficial outside of the classroom were table talks that I had with other students. Some people I have the same perspectives on, some people I have totally different perspectives on. And that's okay.
What we teach in our home is never be afraid of the opinion that you have, as long as you can support it. While at the same time, never be afraid of the opinion someone else has, if they can support it. You don't have to agree, but you have to respect that person.
To see what Marquette did with, the virtual learning is incredible.
This is probably the most impressive thing that I've seen here at Marquette, and there are a lot of things to be impressed with. There were some schools who were out maybe up to a month or more, and with Marquette, it was virtually, no pun intended, seamless.
There were things where the culture stayed in place of school spirit and camaraderie. They had Wear Hawaiian Shirt Day. His retreat group met one day online together. We got surveys as parents saying, how is it going? Please let us know if there's anything we can support you further on with your son, be it academically or socially and emotionally. He spoke with his advisor from time to time just about how things are going with not seeing your peers and your friends.
We're very blessed to live in a community where our public school was a very viable option. The individuals that I've seen and know that have graduated from Marquette High, the connections and experiences that they have are really second to none, especially if you're thinking about sticking around in the Milwaukee area. There are some things that you can't afford not to do.